Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about some Windows preview builds that have some issues, explorer.exe not working, not launching, not responding, and also Windows apps not working, for example settings and other apps. In this video I'm going to show you a few things that you can try in order to fix this issue. Users reported that in some preview builds the taskbar is not responding, you cannot access Windows Explorer, and the only way to access it is by right-clicking on your taskbar and then Task Manager, or Control+Shift+Escape to access your Task Manager, and then restarting the Windows Explorer. Click on it and restart. This is a very simple fix to that, but I don't recommend you do this all the time because of course it takes time and it's not the best way. We can try to fix the issue so we don't have to do that again. We're just gonna have to run two commands in our CMD, but before that I have to remember you that if you are in the Windows Insider program, you will get builds or preview builds like this that will have issues that are unstable. So if you're doing that on your main machine, on your main computer, be aware that you're gonna see a lot of these errors, a lot of these bugs, because Microsoft is launching these builds in order for the users to be able to give feedback. So they are a bit unstable and have issues if you install all the versions, especially if you're in the dev part of the Windows Insider. But now let's continue. Press the Windows+R keys at the same time on your keyboard. Of course, we're assuming that you cannot access the taskbar, you cannot access the Windows Explorer. Type in here CMD, and then instead of clicking on OK, press Control+Shift+Enter on your keyboard to open Command Prompt as administrator. On user account control, click on yes. Here, the first command that we're gonna run is this one, dism/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Press enter to run it. Basically, this is a command that will try to clean up your system image and restore its health. Wait for the process to be finished, and after that, restart your computer. After the restart, we're gonna run the second command, which is sfc/scannow. Press enter. This is basically the system file checker. It will check for corrupted system files, missing import system files, and other files that could be corrupted or missing from your operating system. Yet again, wait for the process to be finished, and after it's finished, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After the restart, you should be good to go. Your Explorer or your Windows should be better. You should not have those bugs that you had before. And for the Windows apps, I can give you a very quick solution. Just open up Powershell. So again, Windows+R on your keyboard, Powershell, Control+Shift and Enter to open it as administrator. On user account control, click on yes. And here in Powershell, just paste in this command, press enter. This command will basically try to reset some of your Windows apps, including the store and including the settings app. Don't worry if you have these red messages. There are some errors or warnings that should not affect your system. And after the process is finished, of course, close out PowerShell and restart your system again. So basically, after running all these commands, your system should be better, should be, of course, free of bugs and problems. But of course, when you update to the next build, if you're using the dev channel, as I've said, because there you receive all the updates like weekly or something like that, you could get some errors or problems again. So try these commands again, try to run them and see if it helps you and it fixes your problems. As I've said before, I don't recommend being in the Windows Insider program on your main computer or PC because the versions that you get from there are very unstable. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.